Hey ladies, long time no see. Welcome back to my channel and also welcome back to another wig install. Today's wig is from Idefine wig. Now, as you guys can see, I'm showing you guys this really cute short bob looking wig. Kind of has like a little bit of layers to it. She does come pre-curled, but just a heads up, I did kind of restyle this wig to match what they were promoting on their website. So if you're interested in seeing how I was able to achieve this look, please continue to watch. Now, a couple of notes: the texture is wavy. This is 12 inches, 180% density, 100% human hair. The lace is a 5x5 lace closure. So for all my ladies out there who do not like to do the whole lace thing, you want something that's simple and cute, this is for you. It does come pre-cut and pre-plucked and all that good stuff, so you just have to throw it on. That's how the wig comes, you guys. So you don't have to worry about cutting the lace. You don't really have to worry about adding product or anything like that. Now, this is how the curls came. I preferred my curls to be a little looser, which is why I went ahead and restyled, but you guys will kind of see how the wig came straight out the box and why I decided to touch it up a little bit. So right now I'm kind of just looking at the lace. The hairline is a little bit too close to where they cut the lace, but that's okay. Being that we're gonna kind of cover the lace with the style I'm thinking of in my head anyways, it's fine. I did notice that the wig cap fit perfectly around my ears. The wig cap was very comfortable. Nothing was too tight, nothing was too loose, and that lace was laying pretty flat without any product, so we love that. So now I'm kind of just fitting her and seeing what I can do with her, because I know I wanted to restyle. So I was like, like if I went ahead and pulled the front over the lace a little bit more, because she's already a side part, and then if I was to kind of straighten out the curls a little bit, give more of like a layer type of look effect, I can make it work. So that's what I decided to do. So to mold the wig into the shape that I would like it to lay, I went ahead with my wax stick and my hot comb to kind of just keep it and mold it in place. I recurled one side off camera, and this is kind of how it turned out. I wasn't allowed to wash this wig before I styled her, and I kind of feel like that would have helped. I also do feel like if I was allowed to cut a little bit more layers into this one, I know she's already short, but kind of just like really frame the front a little bit more, I feel like that would have helped as well. However, it was instructed that I promoted the wig as best as possible, just coming straight out the box. So sometimes if you guys ever wonder why like I don't do too much, it's mostly because I'm showing you how the wig comes. I'm trying to keep it easy and beginner friendly, and sometimes I just don't feel like doing all the extra work, so I just work with what I got. But I went in with my flat iron and I kind of just twirled the hair, kind of making like wand curls. The hair's too short for me to use my curling wand, so that's why I went in with my flat iron. Some of the curls I turned one way, the other side like I turned the other way, so I kind of just tried to mix it up, because what I realized is if you place the flat iron one way and then the next curl like you curl it the opposite way, it kind of just makes it look a whole lot more fuller, and it just gives it a little bit more dimension. So that's kind of what I was trying to do. Okay ladies, so that was it for the wig tutorial. Not too bad, right? Like, even though I decided to kind of like adjust the wig a little bit, it wasn't nothing too crazy. It didn't take me a long time. I think it probably took me maybe 30 minutes or so, and sometimes when I'm filming it takes me even longer, but I think 30 minutes standard, at least, if you want to go ahead and like redo the wig or whatever. But anyways, I do feel like it came out cute. You guys know I'm not 100% of a fan when it comes to bobs on me specifically, but I know some of you guys love it, so I do feel like this is a good wig to grab. I checked the website and she's only listed at $99 right now, and we love that because life is just way too expensive, so everybody's on a budget. I also have a discount code for you guys too. Thank you guys for tuning in. Check out my description box. I will see you guys next time.